Turn the wheel and you can change the angle of view of the camera. Turn the lever to the center. The camera can return to the horizontal position. Hold the left joystick in the lower right position for a few seconds to activate the joint. Push it upward. The joint takes off in multi-rot mode. Push it to the right. The joint rotates clockwise. When you push it to the left, and the joint will rotate counterclockwise. And the right-hand side, move it left to right. The joint moves with the joystick horizontally. When you push the joystick up, the joint goes forward. Push it down, and the joint goes backwards. When you are in multi-rot mode, clicking the A button will switch the joint to fixed wing mode. Push it to the left, and the joint will tilt and turn left. Push it to the right, the joint will tilt and start turning right. When you push the joystick up, the joint will head down. Push it down, the joint will head up. Pushing it down will slow down the joint, and the up will accelerate it. When you are ready to return, press the button, and the joint will automatically return. Now we can start the flight.